Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
instead of the bananas, since there's no bananas. Yeah, I'll take the bag.
That's okay. Yeah, this is the
Okay, thank you so much. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's actually the next morning and I am making breakfast. You know, yesterday I went to the levels, you guys would have seen on the vlog, but Sana Kotra, there's a new manager there, so she did not stock anything. Like the shop was so clean, I couldn't find bananas, so now I have to sort of make something else for my breakfast because Food Lovers does not have. So yeah, and that's why local Food Lovers. I was taking a walk actually yesterday, so when I went there it was like literally the last shop that was on my way home. So yeah, now I have to make what I can. Anyway, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're well. Let's make this breakfast together. I've actually got nothing planned for the day, but you know what, we'll take it as it goes. And yeah Good morning. Well, I'm actually trying to upload a vlog, you guys. I don't know what's happening with rain. The network has been bad since yesterday, so I can't. Like, it's saying to upload like a 15 minutes vlog, it's gonna take 24 hours, and it also increases to 48. I don't get it. So I guess I need to go to a cafe to upload. Baby, Milo. Yeah, guys, if you're hearing this Rachel noises and Cocomelon, sorry, Kintombi. Yeah. Child, I think I'm butchering this because I forgot the ingredients, but you know what? We'll make it work. Hopefully it works out and hopefully they look good. Pray for me. They're actually super good, especially for a person that hasn't made pancakes in a while. These are blackberries, blueberries, whatever you want to call them. That's what I mixed in here, so they're super yummy. I'm enjoying them, especially with the homemade honey as well. Beautiful. Wow, it worked.
Lucky you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, that's fine. Have a great day. Likewise. Thank you.
Now you can get some more for you.
Yeah, I'll use it as at the garage as well. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Cheers. Bye. guys, I just finished at Clicks. I think the footage would be better from this side. I just finished from Clicks. It's actually my first time that I'm using my e-bucks. I've never like actually used it. Well, I have used it, but it was for airtime data or anything like that. But actually like using it at a store, it was my first time. And actually it worked. Got a couple of stuff. Got my baby's tea, juices, Vaseline and water. So I got quite a few stuff. I'll start abusing it from now on, and also I'll start also using the card for purchases at the garage. I went to F&B to find out more about it. So yeah, I'm actually taking a walk. I'm now on 3 kilometers, so I just want to do like 2 more kilometers and then I'll head home. But in the meantime, I think I need to edit this vlog so that I can post it in time for you guys. And yeah, I need to edit and I need to get, I'm not sure, like tea, coffee, whatever. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should go to like a coffee shop or something like that. I'm gonna go shop, but let's see what we'll do. Thank you.
Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want